This is free. We're going to Tash Zermatt. Hi guys, we are going to Tash and we're leaving in about 10:59. It's already 11, so in just 1 minute probably, kaya marami pang mga pasahero. Ayan, aalis na yung train. So see you later. This will be our hotel for 3 days. And we just arrived from Interlaken. And this is the surroundings. It took us like I think 2 hours plus 30 minutes biyahe from Interlaken from here. And then we will be going to Matterhorn probably later or tomorrow. Tingnan natin. Then Co-op where we can buy our food. We just arrived to our hotel. I'm not sure kung anong oras pwede mag-check-in, pero we'll see. Hi! This is our room. Yan. Yan, may sofa. The bed with the mighty Matterhorn. Yan, the window. Yan, they have water. Oh, my passport is there. Then shower. Yay. They have blower. Wow. Hindi siya pwedeng magsabay-sabay. So, one train at a time lang. This is free. This is free. Thank you so much.
Ist der Staatsratsempfang, Frau Biener, Franziska Biener from here. In the
daming tao. Nandito na kami sa Zermatt. I-check ko kung ano ang measurement above sea level kasi sobrang taas na namin eh. By the way, it's a car-free village. Pero may mga bikes sila and may mga sasakyan na electric. So, may mga masasakyan lang kayo kapag ayaw nyo maglakad. Pag gusto niyo bumili dito, may mga souvenir shops, pero mas mahal siya compare doon sa ibang souvenir shops sa lower part. Kasi nasa taas na kami. So, for example, yung hat, 19 francs lang siya, pero pagdating dito, nag-range from 34. So, yung t-shirt din, mahal din siya. Kaya, if in case na gusto niyo bumili ng mga souvenirs, doon na kayo bumili sa baba, wag na dito sa taas kasi mahal. Lynn! We've been waiting for this moment. Matterhorn. Finally, I've seen you in real life. Sa Toblerone lang kita nakikita dati. Ngayon, nandito ka na. Kikita na kita. Ang bukid sa Toblerone. Di ana. It's Matterhorn. Hello. I came here for you. You can buy tickets from here to going to Glacier Paradise. We are on the way to Gorner Gorge. Nagsasarado sila ng 5:30 and now it's 4:30. Card. Blatten is 15 minutes away from here, kung saan nagkaroon ng landslide last week. We are on top of, not really on top, but we are somewhere in Zermatt and Gorner Gorge Falls. Yan, overlooking yung Zermatt town. Ayan na guys, nitalithi na siya. All, sama na sa English, drizzling.
Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
We're gonna go back now. Ana si kato YouTuber ba si Alpines in the Alp na pag naa daw ka dere sa high altitude or naa ka sa Alps na area, nagtitwist daw yung tang mo. And it's happening to me. I've experienced it.
That's a total lie.
Yan yun o. Okay lang kasi may mga sa tawagan steps naman siya. Mauna din siya sila. Baka pwede mo inom dire. Look at the wildflowers. May una siyang flower. Bumuka ang bulaklak.
Dagan kapay kuhon.
And then guys, Mga modern na Swiss home models. Kasi yung ano, yung old version nila is puro wood and this one is glass. So modern siya nga type pero may Swiss pa rin na style. Alam niyo guys, if ever man na mawala kayo dito, parang alam mo yun, parang okay lang. Hindi kayong super stress kasi maaaliw ka sa mga tanawin. Yan pala yung ano, e-taxi. Yan. So, ayun na nga. Balik tayo sa sinabi ko. Kapag mawala ka dito, parang okay lang siya. In a sense na may enjoy mo yung tanawin. Hindi ka nasi-stress. Hindi ka ma-stress. Na bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? Bakit ako nawala? Walang ganun. May enjoy mo lang talaga yung biyahe mo. Yan. Yung bahay, napaka-cute. Super cute. Yan o. Ganito ako nakita sa ano, sa Gimmelwald. Amoyin natin kung anong amoy. Oh, ang sarap. Parang ang tapang ng amoy pero mabango. Parehas sila ng amoy nung una kong inamoy pero lighter version lang po siya. Ayan yung Matterhorn. The center of the Alps. This will be our view in the next 3 days. We just arrived in here and we will be flying back on Monday. We paid for the accommodations like 1,000 plus. I need to check what's the plus. But compared to Zurich, we paid 2,500 for 3 nights, but we paid 1,000 something for 2 nights here. So I think it's much more cheaper. The thing is, this is far. Actually, this is already far from the main airport. And this is the view. Yay! We're going back to our hotel. Look at this meadows. And if ever ganito yung bahay nyo, yan. Yan yung bahay nyo. Tapos yung view mo is ito lang naman. Gornergrat. Bang ganda. Yan, galing na kami sa taas from how does it called? Gorge? Something for the sa falls. Gorge. Ito yung view. Diba? Napaka-amazing. Pupunta kami dyan sa taas bukas. Late na kasi ngayon. Alas 5:30 na. Tapos sabi nung teller, dapat daw aakyat kami by 1 o'clock para may enough time yung pag-iikot namin. Try namin makapunta doon bukas ng maaga, like 10 o'clock, para makababa kami at tapos punta kami doon sa 5 Lakes.
Pero kasama raw yung 5 Lakes sa Glacier Paradise?
Kanina napaka-busy dito. 6:40 na kasi. Kaya medyo, I think yung mga tao is nagsisettle down. Sorry, 5:40. Nagsisettle down na yung mga tao dun sa mga hotels nila. Look at their cemetery, guys. That's it. Peach. Kami kayo. Very sweet. We're eating peach in this park with the views. Gornergrat.
Is that Gornergrat? Is it not?
Matterhorn.
Yeah, not.
This is our current view while sitting on the bench.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we will be arriving in Zermatt. Thank you for traveling with us. Matterhorn Gotthard. We wish you a nice day. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes we will